about a very famous dish, nothing but sambar. This is loved across India, south to north, east to west. This is also savored by people abroad and is known across the world as well. This is had with idli and dosa across, but it tastes well with upma as well. Now coming to the recipe which I am going to prepare, this doesn't take too much time and is not an elaborate process unlike the traditional way of preparing sambar. This is quick to make with simple ingredients but taste equally yummy when had with your idli, dosa or upma. So what is the difference? I use a pressure cooker and use a store-bought sambar powder from a brand called Achi. So I use Achi sambar powder. I have tried out many brands of sambar powders and finally I have come to a conclusion that the Achi sambar powder tastes best for my taste buds. You can try it out and see for yourself. Please note, I do not use any vegetables in this sambar. This is for breakfast or as an accompaniment for idli and dosa or upma. So I skip this using any vegetables, but if you prefer, you can use vegetables. Also, one more thing to be noted is I do not use tamarind for sourness. I use the country variety of tomatoes to get the sourness. If you do not have country variety of tomatoes, you can instead add a half a spoon of dry mango powder or the amchur powder to get the sourness. So this recipe entirely skips tamarind. So let me take you through the recipe of how to make quick and easy and simple yet tasty sambar for tiffin. So ingredients required are mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, a few curry leaves. I have taken 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 desi tomato or the country variety tomatoes chopped, and around 100 grams of tur dal. I have rinsed it twice and soaked it in water. Coriander leaves for garnishing, few pods of garlic, 1 onion chopped into big pieces, salt to taste, oil for tempering, turmeric powder, red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida and sambar powder. I am taking a pressure cooker, adding in the dal. This is pre-rinsed, soaked for some time. Add water. Add in the chopped onion, garlic, tomatoes, cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix it up and pressure cook it for 6 whistles. I am using it for 6 whistles because this is a small pressure cooker. You can use the number of whistles which you require to completely cook the lentils. So I have cooked this for 6 whistles and let the steam escape. Now let's open it and see. See, dal is cooked completely. So let us now mash it up. So I'm taking a masher and mashing it up. If you don't have a masher with you, you can also use a potato masher, or if you don't have a potato masher also, you can use a round ladle like this and mash it up with this. So this is done. I have mashed it up completely. You can see this. You cannot see any pieces of dal. I am taking a pan for tempering, switching on the stove. Let the pan get hot. Now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil get hot a little. Adding in mustard. Let the mustard splutter. Once the mustard starts spluttering, I am adding in the curry leaves. Reduce the flame. Stir it in. Add a pinch of asafoetida, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. I am using Aachi sambar powder, which I have finalized after using many brands of sambar powder. I find Aachi best for my taste buds. So now I am adding the lentil, stirring it in, and transfer it back to the boil the lentils. Check the thickness of sambar. This is a little thicker for me, so I am adding in water. Based on how you like, whether you like it in thick consistency or a thinner version, you can dilute it. Stir it well so that the sambar powder and chili powder get mixed well. Switch on the stove. Let it come to a boil. See, this is the consistency I need for my breakfast, be it dosa or idli. I usually have this for dosa or idli. It goes well with upma as well. So if you notice, the main difference between the regular sambar which we make for rice and this is I don't use any vegetables in this, number one, and I don't use tamarind in this. I use the country variety tomatoes. If you don't have country variety tomatoes and if you are using hybrid tomatoes, I suggest to use about half a teaspoon of amchur powder to get this sour taste. Preference for tomatoes will be the country tomatoes because they already have a sourness to them, which is sufficient for breakfast sambar. And I am using store bought sambar powder, the Aachi brand, for making this sambar, and I am not using any ground sambar powder in this. So the main point is no tamarind. It's not very sour. It is just mildly sour. The sourness which comes from either the country tomato or the amchur powder. So this has come to a boil. At this stage, let's add in coriander. Don't miss coriander if you have, because this gives that flavor. Switch it off. So sambar is done. Have it with idli. Today I am going to relish this with idli. Hope you all liked the video. Please try out the sambar in the method which I have told you and let me know how it had turned out for you. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.